This video will show you how to use the touch and dial combination controls on the Smeg ovens. To turn the oven on, press and hold the clock on the touch screen, or open the oven door. Start by using the controls on the left-hand side of the oven. If using an oven with touch controls, lightly lay your finger on the arrow buttons to scroll through the oven options. Or if dial controls, simply turn clockwise or anti-clockwise to make a selection. Here you'll find a variety of oven functions, from fan cooking and turbo to static and grill. There's even an eco function. For an explanation of how each function works and the cooking process they're designed for, click on the link in the description. Once you've selected your desired cooking function, move over to the right-hand side of the control panel to select a temperature. The oven will be preset with a temperature to make using the oven easier. Simply increase or decrease as needed by using the controls. To start the desired cooking function, simply press the green tick using the touchscreen display. The oven will now preheat. After a short period of time, the oven will make an audible tone to alert you that the oven has reached temperature and you can now add your food. Press the green tick on the screen to confirm and place your food into the oven. To set a simple minute minder, press the clock in the centre of the screen. Both a clock and a timer will appear. Press the clock again, then using the right-hand control button or dial, select the number of minutes or hours you wish to cook for. The timer will emit an audible sound at the end of cook time, and the oven will remain on until switched off. The oven also has the option of automatic time cooking. This allows you to start a cooking program and then automatically have the oven switch off after a specific period of time. After selecting a cooking function and temperature, press the clock and then set the duration as we did before. Next, set the time at which you need the oven to switch off. Use the right-hand side of the controls to do this. Press the green tick to confirm your choice. Cancel timed cooking and reset. Simply press the power button on the left-hand side. Or for ovens with dials, return to the central position to reset. Next, let's take a look at the special functions available on the ovens. On the display, press the orange Special Functions menu. To scroll through the available functions, press the arrow buttons on the touch control models, or for ovens with dials, turn the left control dial one position to the left and press the orange Special Functions menu. To scroll through the options, press the orange menu button until the function of choice has been reached. Press the green tick to confirm. Firstly, defrosting. This function allows you to defrost food over a set period of time. Once the food is in the oven and the function is confirmed with the green tick, use the selector arrows or dial to select the length of time that you wish to defrost for. Press tick to confirm and start the defrost. Next, proving. This function allows the proving of dough to take place at lower temperatures. Simply place the covered dough on the second shelf from the bottom. Shut the door and press the tick to confirm. Use the controls to change the temperature if required from 40 degrees down to 25 degrees C, and once again press the tick to confirm. Further programs include the air fry, barbecue and pizza stone. These are designed to be used with the optional accessories available to enhance the cooking experience. To learn more about these accessories, please watch the videos linked in the description. To exit the selected function, press and hold the power button on the control panel. Or for ovens with dials, return to the central position to reset. The next option available on the control panel is the light button. By simply pressing the symbol, you can turn the interior light on or off without opening the oven door. Perfect for conserving heat whilst grilling or checking a cake that could be affected by the opening of the oven door. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.